CloudBolt simplifies the ever-growing multi-cloud environment by giving companies the automation capabilities, the cost visibility, and the governance they need to get the most out of their public and private cloud integrations. CloudBolt not only automates your time-consuming integrations, but is also a manager of managers that works with existing infrastructure to give you a single place to manage your multi-cloud, multi-tool environment. With CloudBolt, you can set up self-service deployments so that your users can deploy the resources they need when they need them, without having to spend time learning the underlying technology. What previously took a week or more involving numerous teams and sign-offs becomes a 3 to 5 minute process that is completely painless. If you're already leveraging tools like Terraform and Ansible for your deployments, CloudBolt can make them even better. With CloudBolt, numerous and time-consuming manual steps done through an outdated command line interface becomes automated and takes just a few clicks. Better yet, once you've set up a blueprint for a deployment, you can deploy the same blueprint for numerous public and private clouds, allowing users to focus on what they're deploying instead of the details of the cloud. CloudBolt also unifies the numerous islands of automation that inevitably arises in any sophisticated environment. The multitude of tools required for provisioning and management processes such as backups, monitoring, configuration management, user management, infrastructure as code, IP management, DNS, security compliance, ticketing and asset tracking, amongst others, are brought under one centralized system to rationalize the IT environment for you and your users. When building a VM, it's sometimes necessary to call out to dozens of external systems, and CloudBolt makes this simple by providing a single point of action and a plethora of trigger points. For example, connecting Slack to send out a message when a VM is ready is simple as adding a new action to the post-provision trigger point. And just like that, when a VM is deployed, you'll get a useful notification via Slack. CloudBolt gives you the visibility and actionable insights into your cloud environment, and a host of tools that optimize your cloud costs without having to hire an ever-growing team of accountants manually digging through your cloud spend. With CloudBolt, you can rest easy knowing that you're not wasting money on unknown or unused resources. First, CloudBolt can plug into a broad range of virtualization systems and public cloud providers, automating the collection and discovery of information you need about virtual machines, networks, storage, and any other assets in your environment. With the discovery complete, you can automatically create reports, enact governance policies, curb shadow IT, and enact self-service IT for your users across all those technologies, directly from CloudBolt's easy-to-use UI. Here you can easily see any unused or unoptimized resources in any of your cloud environments. And if you need to understand more, we have a metric analysis tool that allows you to drill into usage trends and gain a better understanding of your environment. Once you have the visibility you need, you can take corrective actions directly from CloudBolt to ensure optimal cost savings. For example, you can easily set quotas, specifying either maximum number of resources or maximum cost teams can allocate, ensuring budget compliance. You can also auto-power VMs to ensure large cost savings for workloads that run during specific hours. Controlling VM sprawl also becomes easier by setting expiration dates on the discovered resources and forcing users to claim their resources, automatically powering down anything that is unclaimed in the process. To ensure your spend is always optimized, you can create numerous custom dashboards with quick access to the information you need most often. You can also easily create reports and share dashboards with your peers. With CloudBolt at the center of your multi-cloud environment, CloudBolt can uniquely ensure governance and security compliance without adding friction to your team or users. The best way to ensure security and compliance is to keep it out of the hands of your users. With CloudBolt, you can build the security and compliance into the workload so that no further action is required by your teams. Previously manual steps like installing OpenSCAB and running scans during VM deployment, hardening OSs through remote scripts, tagging public cloud resources, running Ansible playbooks, installing a Tanium client, invoking Twistlock to ensure security of Kubernetes clusters, and any other security actions or tools can be baked into CloudBolt deployments to guarantee compliance. CloudBolt also has a security and compliance advisor that analyzes and reports on common security threats across your network. CloudBolt Security Visualization Service can be used to review your BPC security posture and map out any security risks that are specific to resources in your environments. If your company follows a security framework like CIS, NIST, HIPAA, PCI, or even AWS well-architected framework, you can create a custom dashboard that overviews your security posture across all of the frameworks you use. You can even review each compliance factor to see its status, severity, and description, as well as recommendations on how to improve your security posture to ensure compliance. See why CloudBolt is the #1 solution for flexible cloud-related automation, optimization, and control. Visit us at www.cloudbolt.io.